Today I show you when you Dropbox installation এবং sync and syncing all folder, but suddenly mistakenly one folder is not synced. This time we are not uninstalling the Dropbox, we just go in the Dropbox and again just giving the tick. So what we are do, go to Dropbox, then Dropbox accounts and preference, then sync. There have a sync selected folder, view folders, then click uncheck folder or click here all check, then save, then asking confirm and confirm. Now successfully. Now need to close. This is my Dropbox folder. So after few minutes automatic this folder also syncing starts. You can need to check go folder, but I think this time is not coming, need the time. So after few minutes is coming. Thank you.